It's time that you start listening to your own voice, to your own spirit. It's time to be strong, to be bold, and to be outrageously courageous. Because it's a time for new beginning, new opportunities. Grab the opportunities that is presenting in front of you. If there are people, could be your co-workers, business, family members who are draining your energy and making you question your life, your emotions, and somewhere you feel like you're lost, and start going deeper into your own self-talk. Sometimes when we reflect and when we do self-talk, we find the solutions to all the questions which is surrounding us. Despite whatever challenges is coming in your life, you might be putting too much effort, too much hard work over certain projects which are not really generating good amount of result as you expected. Time to shift your focus to something very different, which will kindle and ignite the passion within you instead of draining you. Figure out where are you wasting your time, where are you draining your energy. Is there some kind of conflict that is holding you back? Let's understand one thing: whatever people are there who is creating or is part of your life, even could be your co-workers, they are all evolving in their own way and their own time. They may not really realize few things even if you right now speak up to them, because at the back of the mind they have some another thoughts or another game plan which you might not know. So making them understand, speaking with them might be you losing out on your time or wasting a good opportunities which is coming towards you. Shift your focus, shift your attention to something completely different, to something that gives you joy. Speak with your own self, reflect, and completely disengage from any people, any situations that is draining you emotionally. Ask yourself and find out where you can put your new energy, your new effort. What creative pursuits you can do instead of pondering over certain things or certain scenarios which are beyond your control. You cannot go and tell people that this is right or this is wrong. They have their own resistance and they see the world through their own filters and through their own perception. But yes, you can change your life because you are the creator. You can figure out what is going to work out for you, what is best for you. And you can start also moving away from any places that is holding you too tight and is not letting you to breathe in. Recognize that you have the power all within yourself. If you are putting too much energy and exhausting yourself by associating with certain people, certain scenarios, start moving away. It's high time. It's time for renewal, for starting something new, something refreshing, something that boosts your energy and your vitality. So this is a message which I get from the spiritual realm. I hope you found it helpful.